My name is Eleanora Guarnieri. I'm a senior lecturer at the University of Bristol School of Economics. There are many economists joining us today from all around the world with a different set of backgrounds.
My name is Sara Lowes. I'm an associate professor of economics at the University of California, San Diego. And I'm here today for the Bristol Applied Economics Meeting.
My name is Michèle Tertilt. I'm a professor of economics and I'm from the University of Mannheim in Germany.
I think it's super important to organize these workshops to kind of provide a forum for interaction where scholars can exchange their research and present their findings.
So my research tries to understand the interaction between culture and development policy. We observe lots of variation in culture across places, and we might think that the types of policies that are more effective in one place might be less effective in other places. So I try to study that systematically.
I'll be giving a talk on economics of women's rights, so really trying to understand what are the reasons for gendered laws. So women 200 years ago could not vote, did not have property rights, there are very many legal impediments, and that has changed over time. And I'm trying to understand why.
Meetings like the Bristol Applied Economics meeting are really important because it's an opportunity for researchers who are interested in development to interact, to share their ongoing cutting-edge research and to learn from one another.
It's really important to, exchange notes with colleagues about research progress, to learn something new, see what the latest research is. I find it very stimulating and exciting.